Have you ever wondered why cancer seems to be everywhere today? This question might be echoing in your mind, especially given the surge in cancer cases worldwide. Cancer, a word that instills dread in many hearts, is an uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body. It's not just one disease, but a collection of diseases characterized by the wild proliferation of cells. These rogue cells can invade other parts of the body, spreading the disease, a process known as metastasis. It's this ability to spread that makes cancer so dangerous and sadly so prevalent. From developed nations to developing countries, no corner of the world is untouched by this malady. From genetic predispositions to environmental factors, there are many reasons why cancer rates are on the rise. However, understanding this complex disease requires a deep dive into the microscopic world of our cells. Understanding cancer begins with understanding how our cells work. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, each following a strict code for growth and division. This code is written in a molecule we all know and love: DNA. DNA is like an instruction manual for our cells, telling them when to grow, divide, and die. The life cycle of a cell is a carefully orchestrated process, akin to a well-rehearsed symphony guided by the baton of DNA. In a nutshell, the cell growth process starts with a single cell. This cell duplicates its DNA and then splits into two identical daughter cells, each carrying a full set of genetic instructions. This process is known as cell division, and it's how your body grows and repairs itself. But what happens when there's a misprint in the instruction manual? Sometimes errors occur in the DNA replication process, resulting in changes or mutations. These mutations can cause cells to disregard the rules, growing and dividing at an uncontrolled pace. This unregulated growth can lead to a mass of cells or a tumor, which we commonly associate with cancer. Yet, it's critical to note that not all mutations are detrimental. Some mutations can even be beneficial, driving evolution and diversity in our species. However, certain types of mutations can disrupt the normal control mechanisms of cell growth and division, leading to cancer. Now, you may be wondering, what causes these cancer-causing mutations? Well, they can happen spontaneously due to random errors in DNA replication, but they can also be caused by external factors known as carcinogens. These are substances that damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer. One well-known carcinogen is tobacco smoke, which contains over 60 different substances that can damage DNA. So, you see, when we say that smoking can lead to cancer, it's because smoking introduces these harmful substances into our bodies, increasing the risk of DNA mutations. However, not all mutations lead to cancer. Certain factors can increase the risk, one of which is smoking. So, the next time you reach for a cigarette, remember the havoc it can wreak on your body's cellular symphony. Cigarette smoke is a deadly cocktail of over 7,000 chemicals, many of which are known carcinogens. These substances wreak havoc on your body, especially on the cells that make up your organs. Let's take a deeper look. When you inhale cigarette smoke, these chemicals enter your bloodstream and are carried to every part of your body. It's like having unwanted guests who not only overstay their welcome, but also cause substantial damage. They interact with your DNA, the blueprint of your body, and can cause mutations. These mutations can disrupt the normal functioning of the cells, leading to uncontrolled growth and division, setting the stage for cancer. Now consider this. Your body is equipped with mechanisms to repair DNA damage. However, the relentless assault of chemicals from smoking can overwhelm these systems, leading to an accumulation of mutations. This is similar to a city's waste management system. It's efficient, but if there's too much garbage, things start to break down. Similarly, when the damage becomes too much for the body to handle, the risk of developing cancer increases. And it's not just lung cancer we're talking about. The harmful constituents of smoke can reach various organs, increasing the risk of cancers in the mouth, throat, esophagus, stomach, kidney, bladder, liver, pancreas, colon, rectum, and cervix, as well as certain types of leukemia. Remember, every puff of a cigarette pushes you closer to this dangerous precipice. But there's hope. Quitting smoking can significantly reduce these risks. It's like evacuating those unruly guests from your home and starting the cleanup process. Your body begins to repair itself, and the risk of cancer decreases over time. While quitting smoking can significantly reduce the risk of cancer, it's not the only step you can take. Stay tuned as we explore more ways to prevent cancer in our next scene. Prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to cancer. As we delve into this final chapter, let's talk strategies for cancer prevention. It's like a chess game where your health is the king you need to protect. And the first knight in your defense? A healthy lifestyle. Think of your body as a fortress. The stronger and better maintained it is, the less likely it is to succumb to invaders such as cancer cells. Regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and maintaining a healthy weight are simple yet powerful ways to bolster your body's defenses. Next, think of regular screenings as your scouts, peering into the distance for any sign of danger. Cancer screenings like mammograms, colonoscopies, and skin checks can detect abnormalities early when they are most treatable. The earlier the detection, the higher the chances of successful treatment. Now, let's talk about the enemy infiltrators, carcinogens. These are substances that can damage our DNA and lead to cancer. One of the most notorious culprits, tobacco smoke. When you inhale tobacco smoke, you're inviting a troop of harmful chemicals into your body. Chemicals that can damage your DNA and turn healthy cells into cancer cells. Smoking is a risk factor for many types of cancer, not just lung cancer. And it's not just direct smoking. Secondhand smoke can also increase your risk. Avoiding tobacco smoke is therefore a critical strategy in your cancer prevention game plan. If you're a smoker, quitting can significantly reduce your risk. And if you're a non-smoker, steering clear of secondhand smoke can help protect you. Cancer is a complex disease, but understanding how it works and the role of risk factors like smoking can help us take steps to reduce its impact. As we conclude, remember that every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle, every screening you go for, and every puff of smoke you avoid is a move in the right direction, a move towards a healthier, cancer-free life.